The song that I want to hear is You and Me from Lifehouse. Now, this song is very important to me kasi ito ang kanta namin ni Angelica. This song is the first song that we heard sa pag-umpisa ng relationship namin. So, ang request ko ay kantahin ni Crisel ang You and Me para sa amin ni Angelica.
Naku, ako'y naiiyak na talaga sa tuwa naman dahil pagaling tong mga anak ko.
Okay, ngayon, we will ask now, Judge Billy.
Alam mo, sobrang linis. Linis mo talagang kumanta. And you just get better kasi you know exactly, ito yung napansin ko sa'yo, you know exactly what to do kung kailan ka mag-a-adlib sa kanta mo to make it your own, kung kailan mo ina-natural lang para maramdaman yung emosyon, at kung kailan mo ibibigay lang ang performance. Every week, you give us something new, and that's why you're something special as a musician. Kaya ang kaibigan ko na si Derek and Angelica, I think they'll be very, very happy with your rendition of the
That
song.
song was for you, Derek and Angelica.
Congrats.
At thank you, Judge Billy. Ngayon naman, ang guest judge natin, si Miss Jaja. Yan naman ang napakahusay.
Hi there, Crisel. Meron lang akong konting napuna kasi hindi ako familiar masyado doon sa kanta. Hindi ko masyado naintindihan yung lyrics. It was not so clear. You have to remember, sobrang importante na maintindihan yung sinasabi mo. Sa umpisa lang yon, pero pagdating ng refrain, talagang ando doon lahat, yung emotion tama, yung shifting mo.
Thank you po.
You made the song your own, ha?
Thank you po.
Okay?
Yun lang. Other than that, wala
Perfect.
na akong masabi.
Thank you.
Ako rin.
Thank you po.
Good job, anak. Hindi pa rin nagbabago ugali. Judge, okay. Thank you, Iha. Okay. Ayan. Good luck kay Crisel at tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pagboto sa versatile vocalista ng Davao. Ito po siya, the one and only Crisel. Susunod na ang song request ni Zanjo kay Angeline.